Hello friends, today we'll see how you can use Google softwares which are available for free to manage your business. Mostly you have seen Google like this where you use to search anything, any information which you want. You just search and see all the information. But there are so many tools Google have given which is available absolutely free to everyone to use. And if you are in business, if you are in small business, medium business, or big business, you will always need some software to manage your day-to-day operations. Especially if you are in small business, if you are not using any software, you should start using it uh, because you will have all the records available in your hand. The basic software what you need is starting from a communication point of view, where you need to communicate with your vendor, your customers, your employees. So other softwares like Office softwares which you need. So we'll see what are the softwares given by Google which you can use for free. So if you go to the apps button here, you see these icons here. Now here there are a lot of features available. So we'll start from Meet maybe. Yes. So I'll open Meet. So Meet is the free software available from Google where you can schedule the meeting and share with anyone with whom you want to have online meeting, uh, face to face or on call. So you can schedule it or you can join the call uh, if someone has shared the meeting link. Uh, so this is the best tool for communication in today's time. So you can you can start using Meet for communication. Then you have got Chat. Now Google Chat is the new tool available for free where you can use uh, to chat with your employees, with your customers, with your vendor. You have you have all basic features available. In fact, some of very great feature available here where you can create the rooms. Rooms is like creating the group. You can set the status. So this is very easy to use. Uh, all functionalities available which you need for chatting. Then if you see you have other uh, softwares like Gmail you can use it for your communication need on email. So this is the software mostly you may already have used. Then you have got Calendar. If you want to schedule the meeting with anyone, you want to send the invite, you can use Calendar directly. And this is great app to manage your time as well. So you can schedule by clicking here. You can schedule any meeting. You can invite the guest. You can add Google Meet meeting invite. So you can use a calendar for your time management and inviting anyone with whom you want to communicate. Then you have got Drive. Now Drive is the best tool to store the files online in the cloud. So you can 15 GB limit is there, but 15 GB is enough to start with. You can store all your online files here, and it will be safe. You will never lose unless you are deleting the file directly on drive. Otherwise, it will always be available. So this is the best to back up the files and keep it in the cloud online available. Then you can see the best thing what we have here is the docs, sheets, and slides. Now if you just open docs, you can see a lot of templates are given here: resume template, letter template, project proposal, brochure. So some of the templates are already available which you can use. If you want to start completely new, you can click on blank. So this is absolute like MS Word. So you can use exactly like MS Word. You have got all the functionalities of MS Word, and the best thing is it is available online. So anything which you are writing here, it will be saved immediately online, and you will never lose your work. Then similarly you have sheets and slides. So sheets, similarly you have got templates here. Then you can create blank sheet, that is like MS Excel. So again, you can store anything here. You can give the file name, you can type in anything. This is the best software available from Google to maintain your daily records. If you are looking to have something um, where you can save your sales record, purchase record, expenses, any of your business operation need, you can put together everything here, and it will be available online in your drive. So when you see drive here, when you click new, you will see docs, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, forms, everything available here. So you can open the file here directly. From here also you can create the file here, so it will directly get created in drive, right? So this is the sheet, Google Sheet. You can have multiple sheets here, or you can keep on adding. Then you have slides. So it is more like PowerPoint presentation. So you have got the templates. You can see any template available here. See, it is all available here for free. You can create any presentation here and share online with whoever you want. It is very easy to do. You can just click over here, share, and put the email ID of the person with whom you want to share, and you just send it. It is so easy to do. You can see slides available here. You can use forms. Now for forms, you can use to collect any data from your team or your uh, partners in business. in any data you want to collect, you can use forms. So this is the best online available tool to collect the data. Like in this case, you can see you can collect the name, email address, phone number. So it is all available. You can share with anyone by sending it. So these are the tools which you can use for office purpose, and the, it is all available free. You can start using it and share your experience in the comment uh, section below. One of the best tool available here is Jamboard. So if you open Jamboard, whenever you want to start a online uh, collaboration with your team, and you want everyone to see the Jamboard and what is happening there. So you can just click on the plus, and there will be one whiteboard open. Now here you can see all the tools available which you can use uh, exactly like uh, exactly like as whiteboard, and you can share this with your team in real time online during your Google Meet call. So this is the best collaborative tool available. You got eraser. So all basic needs is available here for collaboration, online brainstorming session if you want to have with your team. So this is the best tool available. You should start using. So this is all from me. So I hope you like uh, the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching YouTube channel. Bye bye.